we feature Reliv shake recipes from our customers and distributors.
And for today's video, we are featuring Miss Melissa Marcelo's Banana Bread Smoothie.
Thank you so much, Miss Melissa, for sharing your recipe with us. Let's shake it up! Ano ang mga ingredients natin today?
First up, water.
400 ml cold water.
And for our featured Reliv products, ang most complete and balanced nutrition for growing children. And now for kids!
Wow! Vanilla flavor, 2 scoops.
And for our special ingredients, half cup of grated carrots.
Mommies, daddies, if yung mga anak nila hindi pa kumakain ng carrots, pwedeng-pwede na siyang i-mix sa ating Reliv shake.
And for our next ingredients, 2 sliced bananas.
Na-imagine ko na kung gaano kasarap ito.
And of course, huwag kalimutan ang
Ice! So, ready ka na, Jera?
yes, ready na!
Let's shake it up! Wow! Cheers! Sabi na sobrang sarap.
Sobrang nutritious at siguradong magugustuhan ng mga kids.
And adults too! For our customers and distributors, if you have your own Reliv shake recipes, please feel free to share it with us, email us, message us, para ma-feature din namin po kayo. Kita-kits on our next episode!